Bullying stops now. Why does bullying stop now is because I have this pledge. This pledge that I go around everywhere. And I ask every young person to understand that I understand how you feel. I ask every young person to find the courage to stand up when you see hurt. Find the courage to stand up when you know that somebody is hurting. Find the courage. I ask every young person with this pledge. And that's why I walk around. That's why I came today to ask all of you to say this pledge with me. If it's not for you, then for the young man that was in the hospital. If it's not for you, then it's for your friend that's crying. If it's not for you, then it's for somebody. Say this pledge with me. We are all gonna stand up and say this pledge. It's called Bullying Stops Now Pledge. So please, every single one of you, take a stand.